called the White Ninjas, and today we're doing something very cool. Today, as you know, if you probably know what a Rubik's Cube is, maybe some of you can't do the one side, but yeah, I'll maybe making a video about teaching you how to do at least the one side, because first time I never knew how to solve a Rubik's Cube, and now I'm just glad that I could just solve at least one side, and I'm just proud of myself. So I guess, before I start into this vlog, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, let's get into the vlog. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to be solving white. And I'm going to be solving white right here. I'm going to be solving white. Guys. I made the cross, but not that. I'm not done yet right now. Okay. I'm so nervous right now. Alright, got that. Boom, guys! White have been solved. Now I'm going to go ahead and do orange. No, I'm going to actually go ahead and do blue. That would be cool, right? Okay, alright. Boom. Got this. I'm not done yet. Oh, guys. Leave in the comments if you think I'm fast or slow. I think I'm kind of slow. I got blue. Now let's go ahead and do green. I'm not done yet. One more left to do. Okay, I have done green. And for the last, guys, we are gonna do actually red. So let's go ahead and do red. Did we do already red? I don't remember. If I already did red, then let's do a different color. But let's go ahead and do red for now. Alright, guys. Okay, so let's see, it's a little bit there. Nope, I can't do that. Ah! Oh god, what to do? Yes, gotta go like this. Oop. Reverse it back. There, I'm almost done. Actually, I gotta put it here. So sometimes I get a little bit confused with the Rubik's Cube. Sometimes they're just everywhere, and sometimes I forget my strategy and all that. So yeah. All right. Boom, guys, I am done the red. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy my vlog. Make sure before I leave this vlog, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to show you today. I hope you have a nice day.